Hello guys! Now we are on the way going to the castle. I never been here, but my asawa said he been here before, so he wants to bring me here with him. So let's go. As you can see guys, it's not so good weather, but it's okay because I'm so excited to be in this castle. I have hiccup though. Do I have in Hogwarts? Here in Czech Republic, there's a lot of castles, old castles here, and now this is my first time to visit a castle. So it's really great feeling. It's like you can feel you're a princess. I really have a bad hiccup. Stood niche me, yes, correct.
I will put you here and then I will send you down.
Now
It will be your challenge.
we are going to enter the castle. It's really the fat Santa Claus. Can you repeat this? This castle is already 600 years old. This is the toilet. This is the dining area for the king. They just use their hands to eat. It's very fascinating for me. And if you can just see it, the glasses, they have thorns. The reason why, because it is to don't slip on your hand, so it will just be intact into your hand. It will not fall. I said earlier that this is a crocodile, but our tour guide corrected me that this is a dragon. Can you believe that? It's just a myth. This is just a replica crown. Maybe the real crown will be in the Prague castle. The real one of this weighing 2.5 kilograms of gold and some gems stone. It's written, do not touch the bell. For those who is a big fan of Harry Potter, I know what you feel. This is the Hogwarts. The feeling, the ambience, what you will feel when you are inside. It's very magical. Can you imagine? This castle is 600 years old and everything still stay intact like what it was before, I think, right, Asawa? It's really nice. So I'm looking for more adventure going to some castle, Asawa. After the castle, guys, because we want to show you the whole area of the castle, we are now finding some hill where we can fly our drone. Excuse my out of breath talking. Can I drink some energy? Ooh, look at the picture.
It's made for you, Asana.
I'm scary. Don't put it ever. I have to crawl. Woo. Hi guys, we are on the top of the hill and look what we found. So guys, this is the spot that we find to fly our drone and look around. Oh my god, this is heavenly. I'm so excited to fly our drone here. So let's start!
really happy that we found this spot to fly the drone, because there is forest everywhere around and it's not allowed, you know, flight near to that castle. That is the castle, and that is my asawa.
Your asawa who is very pagong
Yes, as always.
since high school.
I'm already getting used to it.
I'm just so scared because I have a fear of heights. Everyone knows that. I will go first for you, okay?
Sawa, what are you doing?
Don't mind me.
It is for walking.